How to install Bluetooth on Windows 11. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to walk you through how to install and set up Bluetooth on your Windows 11 PC. Whether you're adding a Bluetooth adapter or troubleshooting your current setup, this guide will help you get connected. Let's jump in. Before you start, let's check if your PC already has Bluetooth capabilities. To do this, press Win+X and select Device Manager from the menu. In Device Manager, look for a section called Bluetooth. If you see it, Bluetooth is already installed on your PC. If not, you might need to install a Bluetooth adapter. If your PC doesn't have built-in Bluetooth, you'll need a Bluetooth adapter. These are small USB devices that you can buy from electronic stores or online. Plug the adapter into a USB port on your computer. Windows 11 should automatically detect it and attempt to install the necessary drivers. If Windows doesn't automatically install the drivers, you can do it manually. First, go back to Device Manager. Right-click on the Bluetooth section or the unknown device under Other Devices and select Update Driver. Choose Search automatically for drivers and let Windows find and install the drivers. If Windows can't find the drivers, visit the manufacturer's website for your Bluetooth adapter and download the drivers from there. Follow their installation instructions. Once your Bluetooth adapter is installed and drivers are up to date, let's enable Bluetooth in Windows settings. Then navigate to Devices and select Bluetooth and Devices. Toggle the Bluetooth switch to On. With Bluetooth enabled, you can now pair a Bluetooth device. Make sure your Bluetooth device is in pairing mode. In the Bluetooth settings on your PC, click Add Device and then select Bluetooth. Windows will search for available devices. Click on the device you want to pair with, and follow any additional prompts to complete the pairing process. If you're having trouble with Bluetooth, here are a few quick tips. 1. Ensure Bluetooth is enabled both on your PC and the device you're trying to connect. 2. Check for Windows updates that might include Bluetooth improvements or fixes. 3. Restart your PC and try pairing the device again. 4. Run the Bluetooth troubleshooter by going to Settings, System Troubleshoot, Other Troubleshooters, and selecting Bluetooth. And that's it. You should now have Bluetooth up and running on your Windows 11 PC. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to your channel name for more tech tips and tutorials. Got any questions or need more help? Drop a comment below. I'm here to assist. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Stay connected.